Hi, my name is Raul Gonzalez. I am a multidisciplinary artist here in San Antonio. And before we start this project, I know a lot of people ask, what does a multidisciplinary artist do? That means that all my projects are very different. Sometimes I'll work on something that has to do with sports, and then I'll work on a different project about family. Sometimes I may work with cardboard. Sometimes I may work with concrete or something else. So lately, I've been thinking a lot about sports. I'm working on some really large drawings right now, and so I thought it'd be fun to make a fitted cap out of using just cardboard, duct tape, and a few other materials. So you just need some cardboard, a ruler, pencil, scissors, and some duct tape. If you don't have duct tape, painter's tape works, but I really recommend using duct tape. Otherwise, you're gonna have a little hard time keeping things sticking together. For once you're done, we can, use some color pencils or markers. Other than that, you're ready to start. So to get started, the first thing you need to do is just get some cardboard, take apart a box. You really only need about maybe 3 pieces about this big, and you'll be able to do the whole thing. We're gonna take our ruler and we're gonna measure our cardboard so that each piece that we're about to cut out are gonna be 7 inches tall and then 2.5 inches wide. So we're gonna take our ruler, measure 2.5 inches. I already trimmed this in advance, but this is 7 inches. And then, after you measure a few of them, you're gonna cut each one out until you have 8 or 9 pieces. And the reason I say 8 or 9 is because I kind of have a big head, so I need 9 pieces for my cap. But if your head is a lot smaller than mine, you may not want to make yours as big. We're going to take one of these pieces of cardboard, just one of them, and you're going to draw a line about halfway down. So you can measure with your ruler. You're gonna go 3.5 inches. You're gonna draw a line right in the middle, and you're gonna draw a line, pick one side right at the top. So you're gonna have a line that goes down the middle and a line up here. And then all you're gonna do for this next step is draw from these 2 ends to this one. You're gonna just draw a line that goes from here to here. So your piece should look like this. The next step, you're gonna need your scissors. You're gonna cut off those pieces off the side. The next step is you're gonna take all the rest of your 9 pieces and you're gonna use this one as your guide. And you're just gonna trace it on every single one. So that way this looks like this. You're gonna do that for all 9 pieces. Once you have them all drawn just like that, you're gonna do the same thing and cut off the same little sections off of each one. So once you have all these pieces cut out, they're gonna look about like this. So the next step is now you're gonna fold them up. Don't try to bend them. So what you're gonna do, they all fold pretty easily, where you kind of just fold them down onto themselves, kind of like a little roll. So you're gonna do that for each one. You're gonna fold it forwards and backwards. And what you're doing right now is we're making it pliable. That means we're making it so that it bends and folds the way we want it to. So once you have one, it'll look like this. And then you're gonna do that for every single piece. So I'm gonna set that one right there. And then, just to show you something, if you are using a recycled box like I am, some of your boxes may have a label on it. It may have a barcode or something. And you don't want that to be on the outside of your cap. So let me tell you what to do right away. So as you're folding it, make sure, like here I have a little barcode. I don't want this on the outside of my cap. So I want to make sure when I'm done folding it, it curves down to where this side is blank and that the underside has any details I want to hide later on. So right now I'm just gonna Do that for every single one until I get them nice and even. All these pieces are nice and folded. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take these two pieces together and you're gonna put one piece of tape at the bottom. And then you're gonna just keep adding more tape as you go. I like to tear up extra pieces of tape and just kind of have them ready. Okay, so once we get to this part, it looks like they're not gonna come together, but what actually happens is when you fold it, they come together like this. So you can see when I push them together that they will close off right here. So as you're doing this, you wanna make sure you cover that whole little line. And then, you see how I had some part that's sticky? We wanna make sure you cover that up, okay? So that's two pieces together. Now we have 7 more to go. So I'm gonna take some duct tape. I'm gonna put this one next to here and repeat the same process until I have all pieces on here. So when you get to this part, remember, you just have to kind of squeeze it together. And if you need help, just have someone help you holding it down. And then you're gonna make sure you squeeze in the duct tape all the way down. Make sure you're really smashing it as much as you can, because the more you push on it, the stronger that it'll stay together. So we're gonna keep going. And then we're gonna bring these side together. Okay, so now you finally have the bowl of the cap. We'll just call this the bowl part because it looks just like a bowl. Now we make the brim of the cap. You need a piece of cardboard, maybe about this big. You're gonna take your cap, decide which side is the front. It's up to you. Maybe one side is a little messed up, you wanna hide it. So I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna put this right on top. I'm gonna take my pencil and we're gonna just trace around the shape of this bowl. Okay? Doesn't have to be perfect, you're just tracing it. And then you're gonna draw the brim. So this is the brim. You can make it as big or as little as you want. I'll make mine about a normal size, so which is about something like that. So first, we'll cut all the way around the brim that you drew. Okay, and then you also want to cut out this section where your cap was. So you're going to cut out that. And then you're going to be left something that looks like this. Kind of looks like a visor. See, that fits right on top of here. Now we're going to connect the two pieces. So I want this part to be my top. So I'm going to take the duct tape. We're going to take the sticky part and we're going to put it underneath. Two pieces. We're going to stick it to the bottom so that way the sticky part is coming up. So you're going to grab your hat, put it just like this, flip it over, and then you're going to squeeze that duct tape down. You want to make sure it's on there nice and secure, so go nice and slow. Now you're going to add more pieces to make sure it stays on nice and secure. So you're going to take pieces of duct tape about this big, go all the way around, make sure that you're squeezing it, pushing it down. So once you have it all duct taped, I'm going to recommend taking a little bit more extra duct tape, like a bigger piece, and then putting it right on top of all the stuff you taped. Take another big piece, again, I'm gonna put it right along the edge. The last thing you're gonna do is, if you wanna add details, is you're gonna take another little piece of cardboard and you're just gonna draw a circle. And then I'm gonna cut that circle out. And you don't have to be accurate. For this part, you could either use duct tape or glue. If you decide to use glue, you're gonna have to wait for it to dry before you wear it, but if you use duct tape, you can fold it to a little piece, stick it on top, put your hand inside the cap, and then push that down. Now, you have a completely fitted cap that should fit. Mine fits pretty well. So now is the time to decorate your cap. You can use whatever materials that you want to use. I recommend either one of the three things: color pencil, marker, or acrylic paint. Actually, a fourth, or duct tape. So let me show you a few examples. So this is one that my youngest daughter, Cece, made. She decided to paint hers with marker and color pencil. She made hers a rainbow and then just put her name. And then my other daughter, June, she made hers a design. So she decided to pick some of her favorite colors, and she did hers also with marker. So on mine, I wrote some words. I also painted some of these with acrylic paint. But if you have extra duct tape, you can also just put duct tape all over your cardboard hat. And I added the word artist. So if you want to make words like this that are 3D, just write the words out on a piece of cardboard and slowly cut them out. You can color them and then just put duct tape on the back of each letter. There's just duct tape on the back of these, and then they stick right on there. So now I have a cap that's like no other cap that anybody has, and I look pretty good. Now it's your turn to make a cap. Just remember to have fun, and thanks for watching.